Assalamu alaikum. Lesson 6. The 5th year of Makki period. In the 4th year of prophethood, Quraysh started persecuting Muslims. They beat them, dragged them, and even killed some. Despite this, Muslims continued to practice Islam. But the situation was tough. The Messenger of Allah ﷺ allowed the Muslims to migrate to Habasha, that is Abyssinia. In the 5th year, about 11 men and 5 women migrated, and in the 6th year, about 100 companions made a second migration to Habasha. Quraysh requested the king of Habasha to return these people, but Ja'far radiallahu anh presented Islam to the king in an excellent way. The king was impressed and sent back the Quraysh. The lessons are: pray for the protection from trials, but if they come, remain firm on Islam. Seek help from good people while practicing Islam to avoid oppression. Important events of the 5th year are oppression by Quraysh, migration to Habasha, failure of Quraysh. For more details, watch our 5-minute series on YouTube.